What's up, y'all? My name is Mr. Baker, and this is probably the most famous pin tapping beat in the whole wide world. Sounds like this. A little faster. A little faster. Now let's break that down. It's 16 notes total. 16 16th notes. We're going to break up those 16 into 4 groups of 4 because 4 times 4 is 16. Now, the first little group of 4 sounds like this. Boom, tick, tick, tick. Boom, tick, tick, tick. Boom, tick, tick, tick. One more time. Boom, tick, tick, tick. Now that's the first part. That's the ones that are written in blue right here, the first little group of 4. The next part, written in orange, sounds like this. Smack, tick, tick, smack. Smack, tick, tick, smack. Smack, tick, tick, smack. One more time. Smack, tick, tick, smack. Now, put that together with the first part, sounds a little bit like this. Boom, tick, 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 smack, tick, tick, smack. Again, go. Boom, tick, 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 smack, tick, tick, smack. One more time. Ready, go. Boom, tick, 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 smack, tick, tick, smack. Good. Once you got that down, go ahead and move on to the third little group of 4 right here. That is written in green, and it sounds a little bit like this. Tick, tick, boom, tick. Tick, tick, boom, tick. Tick, tick, boom, tick. One more time. Tick, tick, boom, tick. I'll put that together with the first 2 parts, and it sounds like this. Boom, tick, 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 smack, tick, tick, smack, tick, tick, boom, tick. One more time. Boom, tick, 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 smack, tick, tick, smack, tick, tick, boom, tick. Now, that might take a while to get down. Work on it if you need to, rewind it, all that good stuff. Now, once you're ready, add the last part, which is just smack, tick, tick, tick. Smack, tick, tick, tick. Smack, tick, tick, tick. Smack, tick, tick, tick. Now, put that all together. It comes out sounding like this. Boom, tick, tick, tick. Smack, tick, tick. Smack, tick, tick. Boom, tick. Smack, tick, tick, tick. Boom, tick, tick, tick. Smack, tick. Smack, tick, tick. Boom, tick. Smack, tick, tick, tick. Now, practice that till you're comfortable. Slow it down even more if you need to. Once you're comfortable with that, do it about a medium speed. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Peace.